Want to handle huge datasets like a pro? Today, we're learning two of AI's most powerful tools, NumPy and Pandas. These libraries turn Python into a data handling powerhouse. NumPy Basics. NumPy is short for numerical Python. It's built for super fast number crunching, and it stores data in arrays, much faster than Python lists. AI models need to process thousands or even millions of numbers quickly, and NumPy makes that possible. Common uses in AI. Matrix operations for neural networks. Image pixel data storage. Mathematical functions like mean, sum, dot product. Pandas Basics. Pandas is your go-to for working with tabular data. Think Excel but in Python. This creates a data frame, rows and columns just like a spreadsheet. You can load CSV files, clean missing data, and filter results in seconds. Common uses in AI. Loading datasets from CSV, Excel, or databases. Cleaning and preparing data for training. Quick data analysis before modeling. Why they matter for AI. NumPy is the engine, Pandas is the dashboard. Together, they help you read, clean, and process your data before training any AI model. Without clean, structured data, even the best AI will fail. Wrap up and tease. Now you can create arrays, handle data frames, and manipulate data like a pro. Tomorrow in Day 4, we'll explore linear algebra for AI, the math that powers machine learning. Subscribe, and let's keep building your AI skills. For AI, Pandas is your data prep dashboard. Without clean data, no AI magic happens.